Hi guys, we're back at Smash Fishing. We've got Sam with us today.
Yeah.
We're on the vessel, we're about to steam out a few miles out and hopefully find some fish, so stay tuned. We may even do a catch and cook. It's Smash Fishing, baby. Woo! We have arrived now, guys. It is absolutely like a mill pond, eh, mate?
Oh, it's lovely out here.
I'm so glad we did this. Like, we're not the biggest fans of turbot fishing, but on a day like this, why not? Drift the banks for a few hours, hopefully get a turbot. We could get multitude of different species here, from turbot, brill, ray, bass, you name it. The tackle we're using, it's just a really long boom. Then we'll have a bead, swivel, about a 6 to 10 foot trace to a 6/0 hook. And it's as simple as that, and all we do is we've got to try and feather up some bait and we get down on the banks and start fishing. Got a fillet, literally nick the end, back through, that is it, simple as that. Get those rods down there, eh mate?
Yeah, I like it.
We've got lazy boy rod holders on this boat as well, one each. We haven't got much tide, so we've got to be a bit careful where we're putting these. Which way? I'm going to go out this side. We're just going to drift straight down the bank, over the head, catch us a monster. We are now fishing, guys. We've parked ourselves just before the head of the bank. Sam, let some line out on that one. That was a possible bite. We're waiting for those big old turbies. It's a beautiful day. And all we're doing, we've got our ratchets quite loose, so if something grabs the bait, it can just slowly take line. And then what we do is let our drag off. If we do get a bite or think it is, and then leave it for a second and then slowly lift into it to see if there's any turbies. Sam is in, guys, and it looks like a heavy fish. I'm just going to give you the best view I can. There we go, nice and easy, my boy. Looks like some weight there.
Yeah, not too bad.
Not too bad, look at the rod.
we're in 100 foot of water, exactly.
Yeah. We're going to mark this spot. I'm going to do that now while you're reeling it in. Let's hope it's not a dogfish. It looks heavier than a dogfish. It's nice and easy, mate, nice and easy. Bring her in. Come on, what a beast, guys. First turbot trip out on the boat. Hopefully this is one. We hope. The anticipation of what it is,
I know what it is.
Come on, you're on form lately, mate. And now possibly a turbot. Oh, there's some weight there. Nice and easy. This could be a big ass turbot. I'm not even joking. What's your PB?
About 12 pounds.
What is it?
It's the colour. Oh, it's a turbot.
Is it? Yeah. It's a turbot. Nice and easy, Sam. Nice and easy. Oh, it's a lovely turbot. Woo! First turbot trip, baby. Woo! Get in there, my boy. Yeah, baby. Woohoo!
Chris on the boat with
Yes.
the turbot. I like it.
That's a beauty, mate. Well done. Oh, we get you better show, guys.
Woo!
Turbot's on the boat. Check this one out, guys. Sammy boy did it again.
Hey.
That's a beauty of a turbot, mate. That could go 7-8 pounder, that.
It's not a bad one.
It's
quite
thick. Look how thick that is, man.
Yeah.
It's like 2 inches thick.
Lovely fish.
That's a cracking fish. I'll just get you a better show, guys. Look at that. First turbot on the boat by Sam. Cracking fish. We're going to get the scales out in a minute and we're going to give it away. That's a beauty, mate.
I'm happy with that.
Catch, clean, cook.
Catch, clean and good.
What a beautiful fish this one is. And the turbot, they never want to be on their back. Same as brill. See, they always flip themselves over. That is a chunky fish. Sam's just got the scales here, guys. Let's see what she weighs. What you calling? I'm saying £7.5.
I reckon.
Could be bigger.
Oh, I don't know. That's a good guess. How can I get it with guilt? I reckon 7.3.
7.3.
Oh no.
It's bigger?
No.
What is it?
Saying flicking between £5.12 and £6.4.
What?
So
It looks
about-
way bigger.
about £6, I reckon.
Yeah, about £6. Fair enough. Happy days, mate. That's a
good
beauty of a
enough for me.
turbot, mate. That's a cracker. Look at that, guys. We're going to catch and cook some of this. We've got the frying pan. What a beauty. Right, and what we've got to do, when you get a turbot, guys, it's always good to bleed them out. You've got a vein there you can cut, and then you cut the gills as well, and then the meat will stay nice and white. Fish on, baby! Round number 2. This was given a load of head shakes at the start. I hope it's not a dogfish.
Nah.
But it's a fish. It's not heavy. Trick with this, guys, is constant tension. Don't let the line go slack. Just slowly just work them in. Same principle for a lot of fish, to be fair. Old Turbie, is it? Yeah. Booyah! Another turbot down, baby! Woohoo! Another turbot, 2, baby! Boom, boom, boom! It's a brill.
It is, isn't it?
Is it? No, it's not. It's a turbot.
Is it flat?
Yeah, it's got lumps on it. I thought it was a brill for a second.
It did look it.
Check that out. Hook came out in the net. That's a nice, probably 3 pounder, that. Another turbot down, baby. Oh, I'm well happy. I'm going to give some to the old man. He's going to love some turbot, and we're going to cook some up today as well. What a beast. Another turbot down, baby. 2 turbot. Ah, we're over the moon with that, guys. 2 turbot on the vessel. Oh, I can't wait. Hopefully we can get a big one. We're going right over the heads at the moment. That seems to be working. We've only got 2 baits and the ones that are on a hook, and that is it. So hopefully we can get another one. We're going to have to go in soon, but we'll give it another hour. I'm just going to weigh this turbot, guys. It's got to be about 3 pound, eh?
Yeah, I'd say so for sure.
What are you saying, Sam?
I reckon £3.4.
I'm not looking at it. I reckon 3.1. Oh,
Oh no, it's bigger.
about 3.10.
I would say so. Like that. Flicking between that, eh?
Yeah. There you go, guys. Just going to give you a little show. That's the turbot. You can tell them by the diamond shape. Camera decided to die, guys. But there you go. There's my little turbot. I'm going to bleed him out now. How you do it, like I was saying before, is just here in the side, in the middle of the tail there. Cut there. There's a vein. It will bleed, and then you cut the gills as well, and that will keep it nice and fresh and white. Beautiful fish. Can't believe we got 2 of them on our first ever turbot outing. Pretty good day, eh, mate?
Not a bad trip at all.
Gotta feed our little friends. Got one more for you, Derek. Oh, oh. Come on, last minute turbot. I hope it is.
No?
Back home now, guys. Well, back in on the mooring. What a great trip that was, eh, mate?
A really good trip. I thoroughly enjoyed it.
Yeah, two nice turbot here. We got Sam's big old 6-pounder there. And then we got my little diddy fish. Two lovely turbot. Winner of the day by far. So Sam's gonna row in with the dinghy here, and then I'm gonna reel him back in with my turbot rod. Well, reel the dinghy back in.
This is what happens when you have a one-man dinghy.
Yes,
You can only fit one man in it.
Becomes a little bit of a problem. That should do it. Yeah. So, that'll do. So there you go, guys. Here we've got one filleted turbot. Haven't filleted a turbot in got to be over 15 years. So yeah, it's been a while. But here we've got the black fillet and the white fillet. The black one usually has the nobule skin on, so you would skin this fillet, and this one you can fry with the skin on with the nice white skin there, if that makes sense. So there we go, nice big turbot. My dad's going to come round and get the other one. Look at that beast, big old mouths on these. You can use giant hooks. Yeah, pretty interesting. When they're babies, they actually have eyes like a normal fish on either side of its head when it swims like this. Then as it grows, it starts moving round, the eye migrates round to the top of the head, and that's where they end up flat. Quite interesting, but fun. We've got loads of meat here. We are back now, guys. Got a beautiful fillet of turbot here. I've just cut off a big chunk that I'm going to eat. Smash, leave it. And what we're going to do is have a nice bit of fried turbot with a bit of veggies. Delicious. So we've got all of our ingredients ready here, guys. We've got olive oil in the pan. We've got our lovely turbot here. So what we're going to do, we've got nice garlic cloves there. I'm going to just simmer these down in the oil just to release the scent, and then we'll take them out after. And then we're going to stick a little bit of dried chili in there as well. And that will just get some flavours going. And then we'll fry our nice turbot in there. What this does is just let the garlic leak out all of its delicious flavours and smell. These are starting to go a bit golden now, so what we do is just take those out and our fish is ready to be laid in the pan. A beautiful boneless fillet right there. Smash wants some, get down. Sit, stay. This is my fillet, boy. And there we go. Get our fillet of turbot right in there. We're going to wait for that to go nice and crispy. It's always good with fish just to hold it down a little bit so the skin doesn't make it go round. And we're good to go. What you're looking for, guys, you want the fish to be white halfway up, and then that's when you flip it. You don't want to move the fish too much or play with it, because let it get nice and crispy. You're not having any, dog. I haven't had turbot in, it's got to be the best part of 15 years since I've actually like properly filleted a turbot and eaten it myself. So I'm really looking forward to this, because it's almost like a new fish again, so I can't remember the taste. I know it's delicious though. As you can see there, guys, the white is starting to travel up the fish now, so once it gets to about here, that's when I'll flip it and the skin will be nice and crispy. And then it's literally just another minute and off. You never want to overcook turbot. You don't want to ruin a fish like this. Lovely crispy turbot there. And what we do now, guys, get some butter in the pan. Let that melt down, and we're going to baste it in butter. And a good old squeeze of lemon juice. Oh yeah. Just to finish it off, guys, a good bit of sea salt and a nice bit of black pepper straight over the top. Beautiful. Check that out, guys. One delicious turbot meal there. You got garlic, chili, butter, turbot, fried in a nice pan, nice and crispy, with some carrot, swede and new potatoes. Let's munch on it. Alright, so there you go guys. Smash doesn't want to sit on the chair today. Get down. So there you go. We've got beautiful cooked turbot. Oh, look at that. It just falls apart. We got a little bit of rabbit food on the side. No sweet chili sauce. You're not having any, bud. Oh, that's amazing. Such a delicate fish, the turbot. But you get those giant white flakes like that. Oh, you can certainly taste the garlic and the chili. Whoa, that's something else, that is. Cooked perfectly. You never want to overcook any fish because it will go a little bit tough. But just like this, you can't go wrong. Basting it in the butter just adds that flavour, especially with the Guernsey butter as well. Oh, look at that. You're a good boy, Smash. Do you want a piece? Or a little piece? There you go. You like turbot? This is a sort of fish. I don't mind cooking up some different vegetables. I don't usually do vegetables and making meals out of it. I usually just do quick sort of cook-ups. But this is such a highly prized fish. You've got to make the effort, that's for sure. Oh, that's something else. It's just so soft. Just flakes apart in your mouth. I'm gonna cook up that other bit soon. I'm gonna have half a £6 turbot by myself. I'm gonna ask Sam if he wants a piece to take home, but he said he didn't want any, so happy days. More for me. There you go, bud. Oh, piece of turbot. That nice crispy edge there. Oh. You can see how well it actually holds together, the turbot. Oh, I don't know what it's just, Flatfish has got its own sort of unique flavour and texture. It's not like bass. It flakes like bass, but it doesn't taste like it. Nowhere near. I'd say it's better than bass any day. Oh, so fair play to Sam. He had fish of the day this trip. 100%. He's been doing well lately. Stay tuned for next episode, guys. There's affiliate links below that you can buy stuff that you see in the videos or decent fishing gear. I won't promote crap, but there's some decent stuff there. If you want to buy it, I make a little bit of commission. So happy days. So stay tuned. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Let's smash fishing, baby. Woo. You like turbot? I like turbot too.